My name's Hannah Patrick.
My name is Dane McKittrick.
My name's Greta Larson.
And I'm a
Savanna Institute
Demo farm intern.
Hi, my name is Katie Adams, and I'm the Illinois Demonstration Farm Manager here at the Savanna Institute. I'm originally from Southern Illinois, and I'm so excited to farm in a different way than I ever thought I would. Yeah, this is the first year of our internship program, and that's mostly because of the first year we've had farms to work on. So we have 3 demonstration farms that we're working on this year, and the internship program is really a place for folks to come and learn what we're doing. It's a place where we can also workshop ideas with the interns that are coming of what's going to work on these landscapes. And it's also a chance for young people and farmers and people who are looking to get involved in agroforestry. It gives them a chance to really dig in and dig deep.
In this internship, I've really learned a lot about the different cropping systems involved in agroforestry. It's a very diverse field that I'm learning about.
I'd always wanted to work on a farm that did perennial systems, but it's hard when you're a farm worker, you're like committing a whole year of your life to one farm. And I wanted to see all the farms.
And I continue to look forward to learning about growers, producers, creative people that are a part of this movement in the Midwest.